Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on the TORQX random orbital polisher from Chemical Guys. So let's get right to it. So I actually ordered the full kit that it comes with. So it's not just the actual polisher itself, but it looks like it comes with 3 premium grade microfiber towels. Looks like we have the Chemical Guys V-Line sampler kit of different compounds and polishes. I'm looking forward to trying these out. I've heard some pretty good stuff online about these. We've got the finishing pad, the black one. It comes with 3 different colors. We've got the light to medium polishing pad, the white, and then the medium to heavy, orange. So it'll be, for really bad scenarios, I'll be breaking it down into 3 different steps, but most of the time I'll probably just be using a heavier to start with and then a finishing to finish it up with. So, but look forward to using these. Looks like it comes with polishing pad cleaner as well. 2 different bottles. That's pretty good there. Alrighty. Yeah. So this is actually my first ever full official car polishing tool like this. I've done little orbital stuff here and there with different polishes and different compounds and tested that stuff out, but this is my actual first polishing tool before, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out and getting better with it and learning and hopefully being able to use it to build my automotive detailing business to a higher tier than it is now. So a little pre-step we're going to have to do here is make sure that all the contaminants are off of the paint. So let's just hit it with some Adams Polishes detail spray here and a little clay bar. I just wiped it down yesterday to get most of the big dirt and bugs off, so it's already mostly clean, but I actually haven't clay barred the car in quite some time, so this will help get any hidden stuff down deep there in the paint. I'm using a brand new microfiber towel, not a used one. Don't want to put any more scratches in it than it already has. And then again, when I'm wiping everything off at the end, I'll be using another brand new microfiber because I don't want to damage what I just fixed. So, alrighty, so we are going to be starting off here with the white pad that comes with the kit here. It is the light to medium cutting polishing pad. So there's the orange one, which is the heavier cutting, the white one, which is the medium, and then the black pad, which is going to be the finishing, the final polishing one. We're going to be using that for a wax here at the very end, so we want to start with this one. And then we are going to be finishing up here with the optical grade final polish. This is the least abrasive of the 4 that comes with the kit. Alrighty, let's just spread that a little bit around there. It's not coming out very easily, but that's okay. Alrighty, so let's just spread that around a little on the pad there. And make sure you dab it around to help spread out your product here. Make sure you get less fling, or whatever you want to call it. So let's see how she works. So I wasn't pushing down like hardly at all right there, just because I didn't want to get a little too crazy with my first go at it, but that was actually really easy to just get right into it and start going. It comes off very easily, which is nice. So I can still see some very minor scratches in there, which I really wasn't expecting to make it perfect with this go. I just wanted to test out how it worked. So for what we did, I say it definitely feels a lot smoother, a lot better. And again, it's not going to be the biggest transformation in the world because this bumper is already very well kept, but this is probably the most neglected part of the car because I do a lot of car shows around Iowa here or in different surrounding states like Chicago, Missouri. Just got back from one in Omaha last weekend. So it does see a lot of bugs and there are some rock chips here and there. It's not a perfect bumper, but I think for being 4 years old now, it's pretty well kept.
You can see the shine there on the light above me. The paint is almost 100% flawless up here now. So that's what I was really hoping for. I wasn't looking for something absolutely crazy to happen. I knew that it wasn't going to be a huge transformation just based on the actual car itself, but I am very happy with how this turned out. So for using the TORQX polisher from Chemical Guys for the very first time, I'm really impressed with how it turned out. I look forward to using this more both for my own car and for customers' cars in my auto detailing company. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more car related videos. Thanks for watching.